Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you a very cute shoe, how to make it. So I am using 2.5 millimeter and a yarn. So let's start. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. First of all, I will count 16. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I chain 16, so skip one and in the next make single crochet 2 times. And in the rest for 7 make single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This is single crochet. 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet and 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now in the last chain make 6 double crochet. 6 double crochet in last chain. 2. Now again make 5 double crochet as I did before. 1, 2, 3, 4 and this one is my 5th. 1 half double crochet, this one, and 7 single crochet. 7 single crochet. Now in the last I will make 2 single crochet. 2 single crochet and first chain make slip stitch. It will look like this. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3. In the same make double crochet. In the next make 2 double crochet and in the next 13 chain make double crochet. 13 double crochet. Now I have 6 here I did 14 double crochet. So in the 6 stitches I will make 2 double crochet. In every stitch I will make 2 double crochet in 16 stitches. In 6 stitches. Now I did my all 2 double crochet in 6 stitches. Now I will make 14 double crochet in a row. 14 double crochet. Now I have my 14 double crochet. I have 2 stitches, so I will make 2 double crochet in each stitch. 2 and this one is 2 and make a slip stitch in the 1, 2, 3 third one. So this is my second row. Now start 3, chain 3, and in the same make double crochet, and in next 3 stitches make 2 double crochet. This is my third stitch, 2 double crochet, and in fourth 2. Now make 13 stitches in a row, 13 double crochet in a row. Now in the next stitch make 2 double crochet, and in the next make 1 double crochet. Now in 8 stitches make 2 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. In 8 stitches make 2 double crochet. I made 2 double crochet in 8 stitch. Now I will make 1 double crochet in the next and 2 double crochet in the next. Now I will make 13. After it I will make 13 double crochet in a row. 2. Now after doing my 13 stitches, I'll make 2 double crochet in 4 stitch. One, this one is my second, and this one is my third. Now 4, and now make a slip stitch. This is my sole is ready. Now chain 1 and make single crochet back post. Single crochet back post. This one is now single crochet in the this one my single crochet in back post. Make it all over till to the end. ये मैंने I did all over the till to the end. I did my back post 1 single crochet all over till to the end. So now I will start my upper part of the shoe. Now insert your hook in the first stitch and make chain 1 and single crochet in the same stitch and make single crochet all around till to the end. Single crochet all around till to the end. Do it all around. See, I did all over single crochet. Now do it for 3 times more. This one is my first, now second, third and fourth. Do it for 4 times and then I will tell you what to do next. ये देखें, see, I made 4 rows of single crochet without any increasing or decreasing. So now I will chain 1, chain 1 and make 22 single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 I did 20 single crochet, 20 single crochet. Now I will make decrease. So let's start. 1 2 3 make 13 decrease of single crochet, 13 decreases. So I did my 13 decreases. I did 20 single crochet, then 13 decrease of single crochet, then I will do my 20 stitches over there, single crochet. Make single crochet till to the end. Now chain 1 and make single crochet in all stitches all over, single crochet, make all over till to the end. Now chain 1 and make 18 single crochet. 2 3 4 5 6 7 18 single crochet. Now I have 2 stitches here before the decreases. Now I will make in one half double crochet and the second double crochet. Now I will start my decrease. So now I will make a double crochet decrease. Now I will make triple crochet decrease. 1 2 insert hook, 2 2 and hold. Again 1 2 in the next stitch, 1 2. Now I have 3. This is my 1 triple decrease. Make it 5 times. Now I did my 4 triple decrease. Now I will make double crochet decrease. This one. Now double crochet, half double crochet and single crochet till to the end. Now chain 1 and make single crochet in all stitches till to the end. In this row we don't have to decrease or increase, only do single crochet all over till to the end. Now chain 1 and make 16 single crochet till here. When we have 2 stitches left here, make 16 single crochet. Now in 2 stitches make half double crochet and 1 double crochet and 1 decrease of double crochet and triple crochet decrease, 1 2 1 2 sorry now I have 3, again triple, 1 2 1 2, I have 3, so make it decrease, make 3 decreases of triple crochet. One, two, three. Now 1 double crochet decrease and make 1 double crochet here, half double crochet and make single crochet till to the end. Now chain 1 and make single crochet all around till to the end. Now leave this one and I will use another. I will put my needle over here, this, and start my another color. So make single crochet in all stitch, insert in the first and see. Now chain 1. Now in the next, this one is my next, see, and chain 1, again this one is next and insert hook in from the back and make single crochet, again put your insert your hook from this side and from the other pull a loop and make a single crochet. So do it all around till to the end. Now I did my all single crochet. Now next is this. I will chain 3. I will chain 3, 1 2 3 and one more, and make double crochet in the next stitch, this one, now chain 1 and make double crochet, skip 1 in the next, make 1 double crochet, chain 1 and in the same make double crochet, again chain 1 and make a skip 1 in the next, make double crochet, chain 1 and the same make 1 more double crochet, so skip 1 in the next, make 1 double crochet and chain 1 and in the same make another. So do it till all over till here. Now I did my all V stitch here, chain 3 and 1 chain, then in the same make double crochet, then again skip 1 in the next, make double crochet, chain 1 and in the same make double crochet. Now again skip 1 and make double crochet in the next stitch and chain 1, and again in the same stitch make double crochet. Now I will insert my hook in the first V and make a slip stitch. Now I will do 5 double crochet in this V. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I will do my slip stitch or single crochet in the next V. This is my next V, so make single crochet, and again in the next V make 5 double crochet. So do it till to the end. 3, 4, 5. Now this is my second next week, so make single crochet. So make it till to the end. Now I finished this row, so I will cut the yarn and make it tight. It will look like this. Now I will make my upper part, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now double crochet in the next stitch of it. Make double crochet all over till to the end. Make double crochet in every stitch. Till to the end. Do it all over till to the end. Now I finished my all double crochet all around. So now I will do next row, chain 2, chain 2, and now make front post. This is my front post, double crochet, and now back post. I insert my hook from the back and out from the neck opposite side and make a double crochet. Now my front is this one is my front double crochet, so I will insert my hook from the front side and make double crochet. Now again back and make double crochet. So this is my back and front, all. Do it all over till to the end. Now I did this row 2. So now I will make this row once again, and this and it will be my last row. Make it one more time, okay? Now I done my third row of the shoe, so my shoe is finished. It will look like this. See how beautiful it is. Please like and subscribe my channel. I'll see you in another new pattern in next video, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.